Hello anatomy students, this is just a quick video to help you set up your notebook in case you weren't paying attention in class or you forgot and you're at home now. But don't forget you need some sort of spiral notebook, so it can be just something basic like this, one subject, small, 17 cents at Walmart, or you can do something like mine that's a little bit more fancy, but it doesn't have to be, it won't affect your grade, it's all about what you want. So what you're going to do when you first get your notebook is the very first page will be a title page. So give me something creative. You just writing in pencil is not going to earn you any points on a notebook check. So be sure that you do something creative. It can be about anatomy. It can really be about anything that you want. Just be sure that it's creative, decorative, that kind of thing. So that you're going to do on the very first page of your notebook. The second page you're going to save for your table of contents. So at the very top of the page, go ahead and label it Table of Contents, and that you will keep a running tab of everything in your notebook in that order. So I keep a table of contents on the board near the window by the TV. So here are the first 3 assignments we're going to do that are listed here. But what I want you to do is keep this front and back for the table of contents. Don't put anything else on the back because odds are we're going to go onto that page too. Then on the very first page of your notebook goes your syllabus. So you can see that I've given it a page 1 here. So be sure you've numbered your pages, but I'm going to put my syllabus here, and then here is the back sheet. Goes on to page 2. So don't try to fit it all on the front, but be sure that you do use front and back. And then you can kind of see that here are some notes we're going to get into on page 3 and page 4. So we'll get there in class, but for right now, be sure that you have a cover page, a page for your table of contents that you've labeled, leaving the back blank, and then put in your syllabus front and back. The other thing I want you to do is from the back of your notebook, I would count back about 4 or 5 sheets, and label it warm-ups. And there we're going to keep up our warm-ups from the morning activity when you guys come in, things that we first do. We're going to keep those at the very back. So go from the back of your notebook, save about 4 or 5 pages depending on how big you write, and title it warm-ups, and we will pick up there shortly. So hopefully this helped you set your notebook up. Remember, you do get a grade for this, that it's organized and all your assignments are there, but you don't have to use anything fancy. Again, remember, you can use just a basic, very cheap, inexpensive notebook. So if you have any questions, come see me, but otherwise, have fun setting it up.